9 cancels with 9 and 9 divided by 9 equals 1, but this answer is completely wrong because we didn't follow the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS is an acronym that shows the order of operations in math. P stands for parentheses, E for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Operations inside parentheses and exponents are done first, then multiplication/division, and finally addition/subtraction from left to right. Multiplication and division, as well as addition and subtraction, have equal priority. Thank you for staying with us until now. By subscribing and liking, you give us the energy to create even better content. According to the PEMDAS rule, we have division and multiplication here, so we move from left to right. And here we solve the division using the KCF rule. The KCF rule is a simple method for dividing fractions. According to this rule, we first keep the first fraction as it is, keep, then change the division sign to multiplication, change, and finally flip the second fraction to its reciprocal, flip. After these 3 steps, we multiply the 2 fractions to obtain the final result. According to the KCF rule, we write 9, change the division sign to multiplication, and take the reciprocal of the second expression. Here it doesn't make a difference, so we write 9 over 9, the 9's cancel out, and the result of this expression is 9. And as a result, 9 multiplied by 9 equals 81. That's all for this one. Join our growing community by subscribing today. Let us know in the comments what you want to see next.